That is how dangerous a dictator is. Dictator tuke ekiseera nga yagaana okugula naga kati ono katumugyewo kubanga wagaana ssente. Abantu bangi nnyo baganda baffe bali makomera babonaabona olw'okuba nti generation eno Mwami Museveni abadde tagirabangako emyaka 3 gafugidde Uganda 35 okuba nti abantu tebakoowa okusigala nga babanja ebyo bye byagala mu ggwanga lyabwe kuba alina eggwanga lyaffenna. This country doesn't belong to a few. It is for all of us. And everybody's opinion should be respected. It should be respected. You know, there is something that I'm seeing in this country. Ekigenda tuleetera obuzibu. Government eno bwetakomya kola fujjo ku bantu kigenda tuuka ekiseera nga kiri too late to adjust your mistakes. And I always tell you, when I meet those people, I always tell them that you still have time to surrender power peacefully. Kuba lino eggwanga tebalitondera mmwe mwekka, wabula balitondera n'abantu abalala be mulina okuwangaaliramu nabo. N'ebikolwa ebyokutta abaana abato, ebikolwa ebyokulumya kubanga tokkiriziganya na muntu mu ndowooza. You are too bankrupt. You lack ideology. You lack ideas. That's why you have resorted to malice. And for us, let me tell you, if you're going to fight for democracy in this country, you'll fight it even when you're in your grave. Bobo nalwanirira semateeka mu ggwanga lino oba enfuga ey'amateeka, beera willing okulwanisa enfuga eno mpaka mu kufa. Kuba abantu abamu balowooza bino bye tulimu bya muzannyo, bino bye tulimu bya ddala, bya ddala. I almost died. I almost lost my life. Every time I remember that day, I just thank the Almighty. But why? Because we speak the truth every day. Because they tell us to come, they give us jobs, and we refuse. They have a price for everybody in the struggle. You know, you can come, we give you these billions, you can have a good life. This generation needs only, there are two things that we want. We want good service delivery, we want good hospitals, and we want good jobs. They are so simple. I mean, the demands are so simple. People in this country, they don't need a lot. They just need service delivery. They need good hospitals. They need jobs. Bagala milimo. Takati ne bw'onaateekawo embeera ey'okutiisatiisa, buka tugende tumukube tumutte. Katonda nga tannayagala omuntu afe era tafa, kubanga obuyinza obutta omuntu tebuli wa Mwami Museveni wabula buli wa Katonda ne gavumenti ye. But can you, I always tell those people, mwabalina inferiority complex abali mu gavumenti ye, eggwanga lino teritandikidde ku mmwe mwekka ate terijja kukoma ku mmwe. Ate temusobola gula generation yonna, ate temusobola n'omulundi n'ogumu kusirisa generation yene esirise esituse. Kubanga abantu bamaze obbategeera titemwali banunuzi, ne mukozesa bino ebivubuka ebitaasoma ne bijja ne bimalako abantu emirembe ne bikuba abantu tebikimanyi bali bavandimwe baava eri. Ekiseera kigenda kutuuka bazingeko, baddeyo gye baava, they will go back where they came from. And I don't have kind words for those people, because you think when people tell you the truth, mwagala nnyo ababawaana ababasoosoota, hey, muzeeyo obeerewo. I'm not part of that crap. And anybody who wanted to kill me thinking that I will keep quiet. Baby, you are wrong about that. You gave me more enthusiasm, you gave me more energy, you gave me more power to stand on the side of the people. And I don't compromise with what I believe in. I met my brother Bobby Wine recently. I met him more than 2 times. And I told him we should not retire. We should continue pressing. We should go on. We should fight for what we deserve. I mean, this is our time. Abasajja bakadiwadda. Abamba bajjanja bananziko abamba ine enfana. Their time is done. Instead of listening to what people are saying, you want to buy people. When they refuse, you send the goons to kill them. Now, how do you feel when you see me? Like, how do you feel? Like, how do you feel? Inferiority complex. They are sick of dementia and bipolar. Those psychological diseases. Dementia. You are in dreaming, you are dreaming, you are in dreams. You don't want to accept reality that you know. Abantu bano tubafuze bubi. Abantu bano bayina kye batugamba. Tuwulirizeeko muli eri mu siringi. Ne musooka mukozesa gana agavubuka agataasoma agawemuzi. Ne gajja ne gakuba abantu. Mwami Museveni takyaweza myaka 10 ng'afuga eggwanga lino. N'okulayira ayinza obutalayira. Naye muyinza okuba muli baana ku kyalo ng'abantu b'ekyalo basabirira kitammwe afe babalageko. The dividends, the repercussions of your behaviors will have a higher cost, not only to you but on your families. Abantu bakoowa ki gavumenti kino nejeswa kuba boss mutemulowooza nti mwalwanira Kuala Lumpur na Hong Kong. Timwalwanira Kuala Lumpur na Hong Kong. Muri bavandamo mwetemufa. You are immune to death. You will fall like other people. Is Magufuli still there? Katonda natwala abantu abalungi, abakulembeza abalungi, abawuliriza abantu. Nogamba ne bannange miracle lwaki zivugwe walala. Lwaki zigwa Chadi. Nogamba nange lwaki miracle zigwa Tanzania banne Mukama Uganda wajerabira. Nenga lwaki era tatwerabira olw'abasumba abafere. Bebanyiza Mukama. Natulekera abavandimwe bano. Abaloza nti buli omu abatya. Tumutte. Tajja kuddamu kwogera. Nze sobola kuva mu struggle, sobola kuva mu Bobby Wine. I want to understand, I want to make these people understand that in this country there are people with principles and there is a generation that is built on values, not money, not jobs. We don't need your jobs. We don't want your money. Keep it. We want a change in policy. We want a change in laws. We want education for everybody. We don't want education whereby people are taking their children to Kenya after killing the education sector of this institution. We need security for all. Your myopism, because you fear the people, that's why you move in tinted cars. Because of the evil things that you have done to people, that's why you fear in people. You cannot even have an assembly of 5 people and you call yourself a minister. You cannot even have an assembly of 5 people. In Kampala here, you are moving in tinted cars because you have done hell to people's kids. And there's time for paying and it's there. Absolutely. There's no compromise about that. You have done a lot. You have killed people. You have killed people's kids. And me, I know Baganda. People in the central region, they are very tolerant, but they never forget. This is what Obote was doing here in 66. He turned the Kabaka's palace into an army barracks. And the Bagandas were okay. Have your guns. Control your guns. Have your goons. Control your goons. But there is a time. Even on every sentence, there is a full stop. What makes you believe that your presidency will never end? What makes you believe that we should leave Bobi Wine out of coerciveness? Bajja muvaako lwampaka nga mwe baani ng'eggwanga mwaligulawa. I don't have kind words for those people. I don't like you. I don't like these people. I don't like you. Understand that now there is a generation that doesn't like us. Not that we have personal things, not that because you steal our chibanja, not that because we hate you as people or we hate your personality. We just hate the way you are running this country. Period. We just hate the policies you bring every day. We just hate the goons you use to inflict pain on innocent civilians.